Hi everyone! Welcome to Tostem SAS Training Center. Tostem Thai Factory would like to introduce SAS Training Center, where you can learn the whole process about SAS product. There are 4 sections in this video: assembly, installation, handover, and maintenance.
In this video, you can learn the installation process of Tostem windows and doors. The installation quality is equally important to the product quality. Failure of installation may cause water and air leakage.
Let's learn together how an expert will do high-quality installation.
Here we go!
Prior to the installation, inspect your work clothes to ensure that you are well equipped with all safety equipment, which includes safety helmet, belt, footwear, and glasses, long-sleeved workwear, safety gloves, earplugs, dust protection mask, and first aid kit. The tools needed include drill and concrete drill bits, cordless drill and screwdriver bits, extension leads, screwdriver, rubber mallet and hammer, pliers, measuring tape, water gauge, plumb line, sealant and caulking gun, sealant scraper, rubbing alcohol, cleaning cloth, scissors and cutter, wedges, gummed tape, round backer rod, chalk, nylon fishing line, camera, cleaning brush and blower, carpenter's pencil, ruler, glass suction cup, and ladder. Prior to the installation, do not forget to wear safety equipment to prevent accidents. Check that the electrical appliances are in good condition. Inspect other safety issues and the site. Window door frame moving instructions. When one person is carrying the frame, hold both sides of the frame. For large frame, 2 persons are required to carry the frame by holding the left and the right side of the frame while supporting the mullion. Do not carry horizontally. Do not carry large frame on your own. Do not carry frame by holding only the top frame. Measuring the opening. Before the installation, inspect the opening size by measuring the width, the height, and the diagonals for precise measurement. The opening must allow 5 mm for sealant grouting around the frame. Should there be an error, inform the site in charge personnel straight away for immediate problem solving. W-Series sliding window and door frame installation. Before the installation, the bottom attachment must be screwed into the wall by marking the screw positions and drilling into the concrete to attach the bottom attachment. The installation process begins from inspecting and confirming the correct frame width and height, and checking the side and top attachment's position. Install the frame by fitting the frame into the bottom attachment. Before fitting the other sides of the frame, make sure that the frame is well fitted into the bottom attachment. At this stage, the installation of P7 frame differs from other models. Once the holes are drilled with the 6 mm bit, place number 7 plastic plugs into the holes. Place the frame in the opening and initially screw the frame in with a screwdriver before switching to a cordless drill. Apply a thin layer of sealant on the screw heads to prevent leakage, and finally tighten the screws with the screwdriver. Once the frame is installed, inspect the gap between the frame and the concrete wall. The gap on the top, left, and right of the frame should be even for sealant grouting, which is normally at 5 mm. Align the frame position. Use the water gauge and plumb line to ensure that the frame is horizontally and vertically aligned. Once the frame is correctly positioned, use a 3.4mm bit to initially drill into the concrete. The position of the drilled holes must be accurate. Be careful that the bit does not cause damage to the product. Then, maintain an even gap between the wall and the frame using suitably sized wedges. The wedges can also prevent twisting or distorting the frame when fastening with screws. After the side holes are drilled, attach the frame with screws. Make holes on the frame top and attach the frame with screws and screwdriver. The screws must not be too loose or too tight. Beware of twisting or distorting frame at the sides and sagging at the top. Once the frame is installed, check the frame size for accuracy. Double-siding window panels installation. Inspect the size and the condition of the panels before installing. The installation must start from the outer panels. Firstly, install the panel to the top rail before installing the panel to the bottom rail. Once the panel is fitted, test by sliding the panel to ensure that it is correctly fitted. Then install the inner sliding panels with the same method. Adjusting the sliding window panel. The crucial process. The outer panel lock can prevent window panels from falling off the track, which may cause serious injury to people standing under the window. The outer panel lock also acts as a deterrent to outside intruders. Easily adjust the outer panel lock by turning the screw clockwise to tighten and counterclockwise to release the screws. Fasten the outer panel lock by positioning the screw head high and tightening the screw. However, if the screw is positioned too high, it can cause unsmooth sliding. Applying sealant. After the installation, the next stage is to seal the gap with sealant. Starting from clean the window. Place the round backer rod. Tape the frame and wall. Apply the sealant. There are two types of sealant packages. The large size comes from foil wrapping, suitable for housing estates. The small size comes in a tube suitable for small projects. Scraper to eliminate excess sealant. Use a sealant scraper to get rid of excess sealant for a beautiful finish. Pull off the gum tape by pulling at a 45-degree angle. Lastly, inspect and clean. Allow 24 hours for sealant to cure. Inspect the sealant to ensure that it has set and properly filled the gap. And the sealant bead is unbroken, even and smooth. Clean the surface with rubbing alcohol. Finally, inspect the lock, outer panel lock, screw covers, and the drain valve. Sign the inspection report after completion of the inspection. And this is how we work on the frame and panel installation as a professional.
Kanako, did you see the importance of installation quality?
Yes, I did. I didn't know how measuring the opening dimension is so important.
That's a good point. Product size is already decided, so you can't make it either larger or smaller. So before the installation, you must check the opening dimension accurately.
Measuring the opening helps us to know how much we need to adjust, either up and down or left and right.
That's right. This content will be continued to the other videos, handover and maintenance. So you may also check them out, and we'll see you again there. Bye bye!